Be sure and subscribe because I will be giving away one of these cases, the Unicorn Beetle Neo. It's in black. I'll be giving this away for the iPhone XR. So subscribe and tell me which one of my videos you like the best and tell me why. Just leave a comment below. You'll be entered to win this case for the iPhone XR. Hey, what's up guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are going to be looking at, this is the UB Neo, and this is for the iPhone XR. So let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. So Unicorn Beetle Neo, this is in black. Just to give you a little background, this is a two-part case. So we're going to peel the plastic off of the front. Peeling that plastic off the front. And then down in the bottom is the point where you separate. Take that out. All right. So actually, this is 3 separate pieces. So the back piece comes off plastic. This is the gray. This is the standard color, gray and black. Make sure we lock that back on real nice. Okay. This is the screen protector. You're gonna drop that in just like so. Put that in. Boom. Close it, close those edges, and there you go. Full protection for that brand new iPhone XR. So iPhone XR, this is the Unicorn Beetle Neo. You can see your Apple logo through here. Your camera has a nice big cutout right there. You have a screen protector. This is plastic. Let's check the edges right there. They are raised. So when you put your phone down, your screen never touches. Buttons, nice and tactile. Power button over here. And all of our cutouts match up. They all line up. So this is going to be a great case for some protection. All these cases have been drop tested. So pretty nice. I like the shine on the back. These come in different colors. So go by their website, subcase.com, or either go pick you some up on Amazon. I'll leave a link below in the description so you guys can get yourselves one. But pretty much that's it. This is one of their premium cases. Like I said, been drop tested. So go by and check them out. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.